Okay guys, we're making another squishy. So I'm gonna be adding this lotion, this shampoo, and my sister's shaving cream. So hopefully she doesn't find out that I used her shaving cream. Anyways, I put some in the bowl. Now we're gonna mix it up with the golden spoon. Let's mix. Okay, it's like turning into this light, fluffy blue stuff. Kind of looks like toothpaste. I think I need to add more lotion. Also, if you hear anything like it's my computer. The speakers are on the bottom. It's literally so annoying for me to make videos. It looks like really sticky, so I'm gonna add a little more shaving cream. But guys, let's do some ASMR. I don't think she has a lot anymore.
Well then, let's get started. Today in survival mode, we're gonna sneak in your.
Don't tell her.
But here's the thing, Mike.
I'm gonna be making a video about my sister's makeup routine that she does. And I did her makeup routine, and let's just say it didn't go as planned. So guys, it looks kind of like slime, except like stickier and wetter. But I love the color. Why is it changing? Like here, it's like a really pretty color, and then there's like a really light blue. Like, why is it doing that? Okay, now let's try to find something in the junk drawer to see if I can find something. Let's see if I can find anything. Okay guys, so I found a glove, and I guess we're using that because we have like nothing else. So, yeah. I'm gonna plug back in the computer because it's literally gonna die. And if it dies in the middle of my video, I'm gonna be cooked. Okay, it's like this. It's black, which I wish it was clear or something, so you can like actually see the stuff, but it has to be black. So I'm gonna keep adding like more stuff because it has to fill the whole glove. Like, we're adding a lot of stuff here, peoples. Like, look at all this stuff. I'm gonna add some more lotion. Like, glittery, I'm adding so much lotion. I'm gonna add a different kind of shampoo. I literally love this brand so much. And yes, this is my sister's too. Don't tell her. Okay, now let's mix it. Guys, this thing is literally gonna get full, but it smells so good. It's like really milky, so I'm gonna try to make it not as milky by adding some more lotion, because like the lotion's more thick. Oh, and if you haven't watched it yet, go watch my video where I make a different squishy. It actually turned out, I'm not gonna spoil it, so, yeah. But it's a pretty good video. And it's short, so I mean like, but guys, look, this is literally, there's chunkies in it. But it's literally turning out so good. And it smells so good. I'm gonna add some more of this blue shampoo. Also love this blue shampoo too. Oh shoot, I just got it on the computer. That is not good. Oh, and if you hear anything in the background, they're watching the show. I don't know if I already said that, but... Okay. Guys, this thing is literally going to overflow if I put any more. So now I'm going to go get the cotton, come right back. So, see ya. Yeah, so I just put in the cotton, and it's very loud back there, so... But guys, this is literally turning out, like, so good. It's, like, now thicker because I put in the cotton. Also, yes, I did impale my stuffed animal. Her guts are now in here. Anyways, I didn't really like that stuff either, so I'm gonna mix it in. Oh guys, this was the squishy from my last video. It looks. Sounds pretty good.
No. Get back.
So now I'm gonna fill it up in the glove. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, I tighten. Now time to cut it. Oh guys, look it. Listen. Guys, it actually turned out so good. Like,
Well, I know what you're doing. You're doing that while singing on YouTube.
no, I'm not. Oops. But guys, this is literally so good. That's my brother Silas. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And
Bye.
also thanks for getting me to 260 something views. Peace.